Alright, this is the inside of my 1985 Toyota 4Runner with dual transfer cases. Today I'm going to be upgrading the shifter to a short throw from Marlin Crawler. This is the original swing. First, second, third, fourth, reverse, and fifth. That's a lot of movement, right? First, second, first, second. So we're going to install this short throw shifter and see if it really is everything it's cracked up to be. Alright, so I got my surface all prepped and clean. Gonna go ahead and put some new sealant on there and install the shifter, and we'll see how much better the short throw is distance wise. Alright, got it installed with some of the hardware. Got my new bushing in there. It's nice and tight, torque it down. Now I got to get the shifter in there with the spring load, and we'll see how good the or how short the throw is compared to stock. Marlin Crawler. Alright, so after some cutting and grinding and re-welding the transfer case sticks in different positions, I've come to the conclusion that I'm gonna need twin sticks. Yeah, more money. I did not ruin the Marlin Crawler shifter. I left it alone. So this is in 2-wheel high. Okay, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth. It doesn't want to go in reverse. Fifth gear. Crawl box on, neutral, first, second, still in, moves a little but doesn't go anywhere, fourth, so it's completely cleared and engaged. And then this stick in 4-wheel low. They kind of do a cross pattern there, which I don't really mind, but it works. So there you go. Fifth, reverse. So if you're thinking about getting the Marlin Crawler short throw shifter, I would recommend it. I know it's a bit pricey, but the shifter feels way better. Haven't driven it yet, just this parked in the garage. I think it's worth it, but if you're getting it to try to eliminate some kind of dual case stick interference, it may help a little bit, but ultimately I think you're still going to have to cut, grind, weld, all kinds of stupid shit. So that being said, I like it.
I like it a lot.
I'm going to do a side view here so you can see the throw as I go through the shifts. There we go. Neutral, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Alright, so it's the next day and I've installed the short throw shifter from Marlin Crawler, and I'm gonna do a quick video on shifting so you can get a better look at the throw and how smooth it is and tight, and yeah, just my overall use of it. Here we go. some gas cans rattling in the back. So overall, the shifter feels really good. It's nice and tight, short throw. Couldn't ask for anything better. Wouldn't expect anything less from Marlin Crawler. Great upgrade. And you know, these things are, at one point they were out of stock on their website. And I was like, man, I don't know if I'll be able to get another one, because it looks like they're phasing out all of the stuff for the older trucks, the first gens, and moving toward the newer stuff. Which is great, but as soon as it came back in stock, I figured, you know what, I might as well jump on it and take advantage while it's still in stock and available. It's a nice little upgrade to have. I don't mind it at all. It's great. I give it a thumbs up.